About Introduction to Java. Java history. What is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented language. Who invented Java? It is invented by a scientist James Gosling in Sun Microsystems. Why Java? It is invented to achieve platform independency for developing internet based business applications. We have a note. Using Java language, we can develop both standalone and internet applications. He is the father of Java, James Gosling. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, he is the father of Java and his name is James Gosling. Java, the name is given by a team of James Gosling team. So we will discuss how this Java name is initiated. So whenever James Gosling and his team is discussing in his office, so they were thinking about what we have to give name to our programming language. So they were thinking, and they have just seen outside a tree is there. The tree name is called oak. A oak tree is there outside of James Gosling office. So after seeing that, they have thought to put oak as a name to their programming language. After that, they were discussing. Instead of oak, they were thinking to keep name as green. First, they have initiated the name as oak. Again, they have changed the name to green. After that, James Gosling team were discussing about to put another new name which is very attractive. So that James Gosling and his team were discussing to put a good name for their programming language. They were discussing, and they have stopped their discussion, and they gave some break to drink coffee. So one of his team member came to James Gosling and said to James Gosling, just drink Java, and said to James Gosling that to drink Java. That time James Gosling thought to put his programming language name as Java. That's why the Java programming language icon is coffee cup with hot aromatic. This is how Java name is initiated by James Gosling and his team. What are the prerequisites to learn Java? There are no prerequisites to learn Java. We can learn Java as our first priority language. No need to have C or C++ programming knowledge. Note: C and DS knowledge is not required for learning Java, but we must learn C and DS to gain strong programming knowledge. So we will see the history of Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. This is the James Gosling and his team. Java was originally designed for developing software for network consumer electronic devices. The language was initially called oak. Oak is a tree which is located outside of James Gosling office. Just now we have discussed about all this. So we will see all this. It went by the name Green and was later renamed Java. Java abbreviation. There is no abbreviation for Java. Java development team just chosen this name. The name Java specifically doesn't have any meaning. Rather, it refers to the hot aromatic drink coffee. Because the name Java is derived from coffee cup. Java programming language icon is coffee cup. So we will see Java release dates. Sun Microsystems released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 in Jan 23, 1996. It promised write once, run anywhere. Aura. On popular platforms such as Windows OS, Linux OS, Solaris OS, and Mac OS, you can run Java program in any operating system. What are the Java features? Java has 10 main features. They are: Java is very simple and secure and robust and portable and P, and Java is a architectural neutral, and Java is object oriented and multi-threaded and high performance and distributed, dynamic and byte coded and interpreted and garbage collected, and also Java is a open source. So what is definition of Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is a very simple, high-level, secured, platform-independent, multi-threaded, object-oriented programming language. It was invented by James Gosling in Sun Microsystems for developing networking applications. When we should use Java? When we should use C? We use C for developing system level and application level software which are standalone and platform dependent, which is dependent to one OS. We can use C. For example, operating system, system related drivers. When we should use Java? We use Java only for developing application software, business operations, which can be executed in different operating systems either as standalone or via internet.
It's caught in the crossfire.